Hey guys, welcome to Cooking for Kids. Today we are going to make Earth Day yogurt parfaits. We are going to need yogurt, food coloring, and granola. We are going to start by putting yogurt into 2 separate cups. We're going to add a little bit of blue to 1 cup and a little bit of green to the other cup. Next, we're going to mix the food coloring with the yogurt. So you'll end up having green yogurt and blue yogurt. Then you're going to add a little bit of the green yogurt on top of the blue yogurt. The green is going to be your land and the blue is going to be your ocean. Next, you're going to add mountains, which will be your granola. And there's your Earth Day yogurt parfait.